Hey everyone! In this video, we'll quickly show you how to visualize your Notion pages as mind maps using MockFlow Idea Board in under 2 minutes. To get started, head into the Idea Board editor, click on Ask Meta, and then open Connectors. From the list, choose Notion and click Connect. Next, select the pages you want from your Notion account and click Allow Access. Once that's done, it'll be connected and available inside Meta. Here's the Notion page we'll be using. Website Design Kickoff document created in Notion. Now, all we need to do is enter a simple prompt in Meta, like, turn my Notion website design kickoff page into a mind map, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the content is transformed into a clean, visual mind map. Everything is neatly structured, easy to edit, fully customizable, and exportable whenever needed.
From a simple Notion doc to a connected mind map, done in seconds with Idea Board. Try it out and see how much easier your ideas become to explore.